almost here. Saturdays for play and fun. Jump, run, skip beneath the sun. Sundays calm, we rest and read. A cozy day is all we need. Woo! 7 days in every week, each one special, bright and unique.